To speed up your Windows 10 performance, you can follow these steps to optimize your system settings. 1. Disable startup programs. Press Ctrl plus Shift plus Escape to open the Task Manager. Go to the Startup tab. Right-click on Unnecessary Programs and select Disable. To remove unnecessary software, press Win plus X and select Apps and Features from the menu. Uninstall any unused or unnecessary software applications. Adjust power options. Press Win plus X and select Power Options. Go to Additional Power Setting, choose the High Performance Power Plan. For Adjust Visual Effects, press Win plus X and select System. Go to Advanced System Settings on the left sidebar. Click on the Settings button under the Performance section. Choose the Adjust for Best Performance option or customize specific visual effects to disable. 5. Disable transparency effects. Go to Settings by pressing Win plus I. Select Personalization. And then Colors from the left sidebar. Turn off the transparency effects toggle switch. Six. Optimize virtual memory. Go to Settings by pressing Win plus I. Select System, and then About from the left sidebar. Click on the Advanced System Settings link. In the System Properties window, Go to the Advanced tab. Click on the Settings button under the Performance section. Navigate to the Advanced tab in the Performance Options window. Click on the Change button under the Virtual Memory section. Uncheck the Automatically Manage Paging File Size for all drives option. Select the system drive, usually C. Choose the Custom Size option, and set the initial and maximum size according to your system specifications. For example, if you have 8 GB RAM, your minimum would be equals 12,288 MB and your maximum would be equals 24,576 MB. Disable unnecessary services. Press Win plus R to open the Run dialog. Type services.msc and press Enter. Identify services you don't need, right-click on them, and select Properties. Change the startup type to disabled if the service is not required. Scan for malware and viruses. Windows 10 built-in Windows Defender antivirus protection gives you solid security features, so you do not need any other antivirus software. Keep your system updated. Install the latest Windows updates and device drivers to benefit from performance improvements and security fixes. Upgrade hardware components, if necessary. If your system still performs poorly after following the above steps, consider upgrading your hardware components, such as adding more RAM or replacing the hard drive with a solid-state drive (SSD). Remember to restart your computer after making any changes to apply the settings effectively.